how do you search a single address? So in the list at the top, you can come up here. There's a little filter icon. You've got both a sorting icon. Do I want to sort it ascending or descending? Whenever you click on this, it makes that column the order of all the list. I can sort it ascending with the arrow going up, meaning it starts with the A's and goes down, or ones all the way down through Z. If I do down arrow, then it's descending, so it goes in reverse number order or whatever. So sorting is one thing, but I also have the ability to filter. So if I click on the filter button, the little filter funnel icon, I can then come in here and I can search for certain key things, say Albany, and I just want, the Albany item in there. In which case, whenever I filter, then it shows me just those addresses that have Albany in it. So individual or together. You can click on that filter again and clear that filter. So there's a little clear filter option. You can do other types of filtering as well. Some equals, contains, does not contain. I mean, there's lots of text filtering options that's there. But being able to search any of these columns that are being shown is allowed whenever you're using that filter icon. If there's a field that is not in the list that you want to filter on, just add it to the list. You come over here, click on the layout columns, configure the layout, find the column that you want. Maybe I want source, and I want to move that to the top of my list. Maybe I want to see it more towards top of my list here, and then I could save it. I could do save as. If this is a layout that you want to use quite frequently, you could do a save as, give it a name, say source. And now whenever I look, I can see that here's my sources. And once again, I could come over here, say filter, and just show me my direct mail names. So anything can be filtered. It's just making sure that it's in the list. Now, whenever you do a filter, or whenever you're in a list of some sort, you've either got a default filter set up of some sort or other things. Whenever you use this search field, it only searches what's in the list. So if you're looking for somebody else, they're in your database, but they're not filtered. They're not in the filtered list, they won't show up. But if you need to find somebody quickly and by name or something like that, you can click on the little icon in the upper left and do a search there for maybe my email address, mark@workflowsecrets.com. I can select it and still pull it up. I wasn't in that list, but I can be pulled into a find and brought up that way as well. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Mark, what about searching for phone numbers for a contact?
Same thing. Whenever you're doing a phone number search over here, 417, 298, whatever, it does the same searching. You will see that the format of those numbers don't have any formatting to them to try to make it simpler for you. So even though you may have it formatted over here with parentheses or spaces or whatever, it tries to keep the formatting. So if you just want to find anything that has 1111 in it, it'll find it.
And where did you get that select contact? I'm sorry.
This little icon in the upper left
Okay.
corner.
Thank you.
Yep.
Michael's cringing.
So, Mark, when you're searching the number, you don't have to put parentheses or dash, just this number straight, right?
Yeah, if you're doing the search from up here, if you're doing a search from over here, it will be formatted. So what you could do is like contains or something like that if you want to do something more of a, but it's again, it's only going to be whatever's currently filtered. So if you're using a, one of your default filters, or you've got a filter set up in one of your titles, it's only going to search these that you're currently viewing.
I usually do copy and paste. Sometimes the format, again, email or somebody requesting something.
Yeah.
And I just go copy and paste. But
Yeah.
maybe
You're really best off going up here and doing the search from up here whenever you're doing things like that. That way it searches your entire database and you have to worry about it.
When you're in this field right here and you have those selected by that default search,
Mhm.
and you want to go back to all total contacts, what's the best way to do that?
You can just come over here and say clear column filter.
Okay.
I mean, selecting whatever filter. I've got a lot of different filters for different things, but the all records would get you everything, and not. The thing is some like Jose's got 28,000 names or something like that. How many times do you really need to look at 28,000 names? You don't typically. What you need is typically your A and B list or something like that, which is, maybe 400 or 500. It's a lot faster. You don't have to worry about it. Just know that if I come in, if that's my default, then that's all I'm looking for. But if I come over here and click on this one searches everything no matter what. So it should be good.
28,000 is a big number.
It's a big number. Yeah.